welcome to my channel Lilypad. So today I'm going to do this on my head today. And what? Ta-da! Well, goodbye to Lilypad.